As you can tell, we're in the train, and guess what? We are going to India. Wow, I mean, I'm like so super excited. After a lot of confusion, a lot of dilemma, we finally decided that it is time we go to India to see our family. And because especially our parents, it's been about 3.5 years that I haven't gone to Pune. Riju hasn't gone to Kolkata for like 2 years. Well, most of you know that. So এর থেকে আর ভালো honestly occasion, or rather not occasion, কি বলবো, সময় হচ্ছিল না. So we're on our way to London now, and so come with us to London. We're going to take you through the journey. Okay, so from Halifax to London, then London to Mumbai, and then the COVID testing, the entire process. So you're going to be with me until I reach home. Yeah. Also, you know the drill. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I mean, I can do with all the support you're giving me. And if you haven't subscribed, right below. Okay, do that and stay with me. So Ryu's all set, and we're waiting for the train now. I'm with me with the mask. Yeah, so I'm with the mask as well. I'm waiting for the train. It's not that cold, to be honest, but তো আমরা এখন বেরিয়ে পড়েছি, আর আমরা যাচ্ছি লিডসে আগে. তো আমাদের কি হয়, first we need to take a small train from Halifax to Leeds, and then from Leeds to London. That's the first bit. And the second one from Leeds to London. So we're on our way now to Leeds, and sorry, I'm speaking to you guys. I'm not wearing my mask, but I shall wear my mask now. So we're on our way. It's about 40 minutes from Halifax to Leeds, and once we're at the Leeds, I'll show you around. So we've reached the Leeds station now, and from Leeds station we'll be going towards the platform to catch the train to London. So we're walking now, and this is Riju going. Let me reach the platform, and if the train is there, I'll show you around the train as well.
This train has 6 carriages.
So we have left our place. We have left Leeds now on our way to London, like I just said. So the price for 2 people on this train, it's called Leeds to London, LNER. That's the name of the train, and it has cost us about £40 for 2 people, or 4,000 rupees for 2 people. তো দুজনের জন্য এটা 4,000 মতন পড়েছে, এটা লিডস থেকে লন্ডন নিয়ে যায়. তবে জেনারেলি আরেকটু বেশি হয়, বাট আমরা যেহেতু এখন কোভিডের সিজন চলছে, লোকও খুব কম, মানে পুরো ট্রেনটা প্র্যাকটিক্যালি ফাঁকা, এই আর কি. তা আমাদের এই ট্রেনে খাবার দাবারও আগে দিত. there used to be a food cart, there is a food pantry as well, বাট ওইখানে এখন আর সেটা করছে না because of COVID again. আর so basically nothing really to look forward to apart from reaching London right now. Okay, so বাইরে সেরকম কিছু দেখাতে পারবো না. I will not be able to show you much because it's all dark, but once we're in London, I'll show you the station. Okay, and I think there's an announcement now. reached London King's Cross. This is the largest train station in the UK, in the entire of UK, and the central one and the central point. It connects not only in England, but also to Europe in few of the cities like Paris, Belgium, Brussels. This is one big hell of a station. It's a huge station. You know, it's always nice to be back in London. I mean, it's such a beautiful city. It is a wonderful city. There's such a buzz around the city. And the best part is it's always is crowded. Although right now it's like it's not crowded because it's really, really late. But, you know, if I still have to compare, like, you know, I live in Halifax, and compared to that, this city is really, you know, buzzing city. It's very, very close to it's very, very close to what you know, Mumbai or Kolkata are in India. But it's wonderful to be back here, you know, although only for, you know, for a night, but still it's always very nice to be back. So we're kind of waiting now. We're waiting, and you see those streets there? That's so nice, isn't it? Yeah, so anyways, so we're actually waiting for a little while, you know, just stretching our legs and all. We've been sitting in the train for far too long, and we'll get our yoga and go to the hotel. It's 11:30 right now, and 11:30 in the night, and we have taken a room just for one night so that we can just leave for the airport in the morning. And the airport is like 10 minutes from here by, and there is a free shuttle to the airport. Yeah. So this is the room. I'm going to show you the room. We're in Novotel at Heathrow. So if you see here, there's a cupboard. Oh, there's a dryer as well. They've given a dryer. It's a basic room, but they've got everything in here. Okay. Yeah. So they've got a locker, a fridge, tea, coffee making for tea or coffee. I don't think we'll have the time to do that, right? And what I loved most about this room is the TV. You know, those who know me, they know I'm very fond of large televisions. I love televisions. So I really like that. I don't know if we'll be watching anything right now because it's very, very late. And this is the bed. It's nice, big and comfy. So, oh, I'll also show you the bathroom. And this is the bathroom. So again, I don't think we can make use of this bathroom much, but yeah, I think Riju loves his showers. So he will probably have a shower. He's very fond of different types of showers, and it's really nice. There's a lovely mirror where I can get ready, and basically that's it. There's a rain shower as well. But anyways, yeah, so for today, this was my journey from Halifax to London, and we'll finally come and settle down. So we're going to watch some telly, take some nice shower, go off to bed, and tomorrow morning the first thing we do is go and wake up and take the bus to the airport and leave for Mumbai. Okay, you guys, thanks for staying with me. Continue in this journey along with me. Okay, I'll take you along everywhere, from the airport to plane to Mumbai airport, COVID testing, etc, etc. So stay with me, and if you haven't subscribed until now, please go and do that. Okay, thank you guys so much. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow again, or I'll see you soon again. Bye.